Look at him. Guys, by the time I'm done lighting this damn grill, I'm gonna be smelling like smoke for the whole day. Guys, as you can see, I'm kind of frost. And make sure when you watch a video, you watch the video till the end, please. Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Nayoka. And guys, I am going to bed right now. It's currently 7:30 a.m. and I just finished in the kitchen. I'm gonna go sleep because I haven't slept since maybe almost 24 hours now. I'm up, so I wanna go get some rest. Even if it's just a 1 or 2 hour of sleep, at least something. But I'm excited. Today's the finally the party. And I feel like it's gonna be a very good night. Look at me pulling my blinds at 7 a.m. when I should be opening my blinds. I'm closing it. But anyway, guys, let me go grab a quick rest and I'll link you guys back, all right? A few moments later. It's still wet out here. It's not raining though, but it's wet. (11:15 a.m. and I'm gonna start putting on the chicken on the grill. Yeah. Guys, this is my first time actually lighting a charcoal grill. I never light a grill before, first time doing it, so it might take a while. Just lighting up the grill. This is what I use. So squeeze it like this, let me see. Alright. another try, but we're put on some first. I'm gonna put one here, here, and here. So that one first. And then come to the side, put it all the way to the back. There you go. Now this one. From before, guys, look at my chicken there. Don't look on that one. I don't want to burn up, boy. Yo, look at that.
I feel like that was the start of
Wait. I'm going to make you put the one on the front so you don't have to stretch your hand in the front. No, with this one, we're going to run to food. But we don't have no long runway, man.
No, over there, so.
Make you take a lap. You can take laps. Full lap round the, round the yard. Let's hope my rain not fall. Put it in front, maybe.
Don't afraid of it, man. You're not going to bro.
I know. I'm just getting too close and it's burning me too much. That's what I'm scared of. And the fact that this chicken is raw.
Put it right here.
Good.
I'm going to save. I'm going to make a space for your naked. Right there. Why just throw down his
I thought that was gonna burn.
So guys, see me grill my chicken them, yeah? Chicken are gone, man. Guys, right now the rain starts. So I'm basically putting the sauce on my jerkins. I finally finished cooking the chicken. The grill is empty. So I'm just gonna hose it down and go inside now. Guys, it started raining. I had to go for my umbrella. Guys, I didn't even get any chance to record or anything. So this is what I got so far. Once I change and everything, then I can do more.
Watch your stuff on YouTube.
Yeah?
I'm not even saying no, you know.
So we should have put that on the vlog. What? Are you vlogging?
Yeah. I can't even see you. Whoa.
We're hot, man. We're hot.
I can't even see.
Guys, I've been busy. We all have been busy all day trying to get ready. Everything. All right, where you want to send it?
It was very hard.
Babes, you not do no more.
Yesterday, just wipe off the table and that's it.
I helped you.
Guys, oh yeah, you did. We have been working hard all day. Finally, we get to dress up now. So party has started. You can hear the music in the background. So yeah, Ay.
Sorry. A TV, come up here for TV sister lotion.
Ah, boy.
Shut up. Oh, alcohol.
Alright, guys, so this is what I'm wearing to my party. Green and red. So,
What you like the food then?
yeah, man. May I come down now?
Please. Nobody know you shut it.
I'm sending people there.
Next year we're doing it again.
Take a picture now. Give me something I'm gonna remember now. Oh, woman, you're the first person.
Next year we're doing it again.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, I'm friend.
No.
Celebrate life.
Yes,
I think
one more sequence, yes.
Rush.
You still love that one? It was a successful. Alright, put it fire. This was a successful birthday. Nobody enjoyed themselves. You can't even stand up on the floor because the floor wet up. The floor nasty up, guys. Now, like guys, the party shot. Everybody had fun. There's a lot of cleanup to do, but that's tomorrow. Guys, as you can see, I'm kind of frost. So one of my coworkers gave me we're gone. I read there's somebody left it. I got money, guys. So you're not old if you can still blow out all your birthday candles. That's true. If you can blow out all your birthday candles without farting. Oh well, happy birthday Nayoka. I wish you the most prosperous year and many more to come. That's so nice. Thank you, Marcus. Get a little $50. That's nice. That's nice. Somebody give me $100 too today. That's nice. Guys, right now I'm kind of frost. I can't even make a ride video, so I will have to link you guys in the morning when I'm sober up. You know something? You know food? I'm hungry.